Hi friends! Today we're going to read Brown Bear, What Do You See? And we're also going to learn our animal sounds. Let's open our book. Open. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. And the bear says, roar! Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. And the bird says, tweet, 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 tweet. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. And the duck says, quack, 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 quack. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. And the horse says, neigh, neigh. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. And the frog says, ribbit, 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 ribbit. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. And the cat says, meow, meow. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. And the dog says, woof, 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 woof. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. And the sheep says, baa, baa. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. You can do this for the fish. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Look, it's the teacher. Children, what do you see? Wow, look, it's all the children. We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Yay, we did it! And we learned all of our animal sounds. Great job, everyone. High five. Until next time, bye.